Hi Rowan students, this is going to be a quick tutorial on the basics of using Zoom from the participant perspective. You should receive a Zoom link from the host of the meeting. You will enter that link into your browser and it will prompt you to open Zoom. When you enter the meeting, it will ask if you want to join with computer audio, and then you will have to go to the bottom to the Zoom toolbar to click on Start Video. Hi, Laura.
Hi, Jacqueline.
So next to mute, you will click on the caret to test your speaker and microphone. Test.
Test.
And we recommend doing this before the start of every meeting. Also on the Zoom toolbar, you have the ability to view all participants in the meeting. So you can either mute your microphone and unmute it here. You also have the ability to raise your hand. The host will receive a notification when you do that, and then you can lower your hand after your question has been answered. You have the ability to chat either everyone in the Zoom room or send a private message to just one person. You can also share files between one person or between all of the participants in the meeting. You do have the ability to record the Zoom session. However, as the participant, it may ask you to request permission from the host. You actually need to verbally request that permission because the host does not receive a notification when you have first attempted to record the session. You can react down here by clapping your hands or putting a thumbs up, and everyone in the meeting will be able to see your reactions. You have the ability to share your entire screen with everyone in the meeting. You do want to be cautious when you do this because everyone in the meeting will be able to see every application that you have open. They will be able to see every program, and they will also be able to see your desktop if you do minimize your screens. You can also share just one application, so this would be something that you already have open, and in this case, the participants would only be able to see that one application. You have the ability to share a whiteboard and collaborate between all participants in the meeting. I'm actually going to ask Laura to share a whiteboard so that way you can see it from the participant perspective. So Laura has shared a whiteboard, and for us to be able to collaborate on this whiteboard, we need to go up to View Options and click on Annotate. So now we will be able to write on the same screen. I can see what Laura's writing and she can see what I'm writing. We can also save the whiteboard, so this is a great feature if you're using Zoom for something like tutoring. So those are the basics of using Zoom, and when you are ready to leave the meeting, you can say goodbye to everyone in the meeting and then click on Leave Meeting here at the bottom. Best of luck during the rest of your semester of remote instruction.